Actually, we have called this press brief mainly to brief about the scenario which has happened in airports for the last couple of days, the disruption caused due to IndiGo Airlines cancellations. So we as airport authority has tried our level best to ensure all directives of the ministry, and we have been directed stage by stage by the ministry to help the maximum passengers who had the grievance with the airlines or otherwise are affected due to this. We have tried our level best. IndiGo Airlines, we in coordination with IndiGo Airlines, even in IndiGo Airlines also have done 24/7 ticketing counters and all to help the passengers who have already been affected. So as airport authority, we had started a control room 24/7 where all the stakeholders were available in the control room to attend to the passenger grievances, and state police, traffic police, CISF and all the stakeholders have helped us a lot in helping the passengers and also to manage the queues, avoid congestion in the airport and ensure that all facilities are available to the passengers. So we had personally senior officials like team was created for frequent visits in the terminal building to ensure that passengers are uh, heard. Actually, passengers are heard so that their grievance will be less and heard, and somebody is attending to the passengers' queries. And real-time information was given to social media and all other media people so that people will be aware about the information, because 5th May maximum cancellation happened. उसके बाद and उसके before it was all majority were pre-planned cancellations. Because of that, we didn't have much congestion in the airport. But on 5th, there was a huge cancellation. Around 31 cancellations were there 5th. So because of that, in the ticketing counter, we experienced crowd, but that was managed very well by sorry, 5th May, 34 cancellations were there, and because of that we saw crowd in ticketing counter. So we had given additional ticketing counter to IndiGo and provided all support, all manpower, so that they could help the passengers in the proper way, and seating arrangements were made in the city side to ensure that elderly passengers or pregnant women, passengers with children are able to sit and so that IndiGo people can attend them accordingly. And we had provided all the necessary refreshment facilities, water, drinking water in city side and also inside the terminal building, and all requirements with respect to medical and sanitary napkins, baby diapers, refreshment, diabetic food, all के लिए arrangement किया था. So passengers were almost okay, but grievance was there because their flights were delayed for so many times because creeping delay was also happening. So they were, but majority in Goa we didn't have any negative experience in the sense like they were too much annoyed to create commotion. ऐसा नहीं था, but still it was all manageable and all stakeholders together worked as a team. But still we are facing now, it's all planned cancellations, so people are not coming to airport, so congestion is not there in the airport. But IndiGo, so far as per the data provided by IndiGo, till 8 all cancellation refunds have been given to passengers, and during the 5th and 6th 100% passengers they couldn't give hotel facilities, so that they had some issue in that, but otherwise it was all facilities they and unlimited refreshment also was provided anytime 24/7 unlimited, and the airport authority also ensured that people are given refreshment at proper timings. Data available with us around 87 including today 87 flights means 87 double movement बोले तो double आएगा. 87 flights were
when do you expect the situations to be normal?
Our ministry is trying their level best to restore the situation, but hopefully coming days it will be restored completely.
You see major sectors like Mumbai, Bangalore still being affected. So how
now what is happening is total 37 to 38 movements or maximum 40-41 movements may planned cancellations are 6 to 7. Other all operating flights are going on time. So there is no delay in that. Luggage missing issues were there. We had Air India special flight also to take the luggage. Air India had put a special flight to for the passengers also, and luggage as rush baggage we were taking support of Air India and Air India Express to move the rush baggages. As on date, only 10 to 20 bags are there that is being moved. They are delivering to the destinations and to the people, houses of the people as per requirement. Missing का ऐसा कुछ information I didn't get from IndiGo. So 10 to 20 baggages are there in our arrival hall, which is being moved. It is not like stagnant; it is being moved. Working in the airport, coordinating with us, it's traffic police, Goa police, CISF, our concessionaires, TFS. TFS is the master concessionaire for Goa airport. Then immigration, customs, APHO, MI room, all the facilities which are working in the airport is. The full-fledged food was provided by IndiGo. Refreshment, limitless was provided because people were waiting more than 2 hours and all. It was provided by airlines, and we ensured, and whatever AI had to provide, light refreshment and all we had, because they were providing it limitless. There was no requirement for us to intervene in that sector. No, no, it was being distributed in the security hold area for the passengers who are in the airport, and outside ticketing counter, near ticketing counter for the people who are waiting outside.